Hi everyone, my name is Prab and thanks for joining in for this session on mental health and well-being of children in level 3 and 4. First of all, let's discuss about what is mental health. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological and social well-being. It's just the way we think, the way we feel and the way we act in certain situations and how we handle stress when it comes to challenges in life. But why do schools need to focus on this area? Because mental health is important at every stage of life, and statistics show mental ill health starts at a very young age. More than 40% of Year 12 students report symptoms of anxiety and depression. Did you know in Australia, suicide is the leading cause of death for people aged 5 to 17 years old? Yes, that's very young age. So, an educator plays a vital role in promoting mental health and well-being among children. Also, according to Australian Institute of Teaching and School Leadership, teachers are expected to create and maintain supportive and safe learning environment. There are many types of mental health disorders. This year, our main focus will be on promoting growth mindset. Growth mindset portrays how we face challenges and how to handle these challenges positively. With growth mindset, children learn to deal with situations such as winning and losing and coming over the negative thoughts. Feelings such as demotivated and not willing to try because they think they can do it, this kind of mindset is called fixed mindset. So it is very important to think positively to attain healthy mental health. Our first resource for this year level is a video from YouTube, which is called What is Growth Mindset? So some ideas that we can use to use this resource within the classroom is, so we can watch the video with students, and after watching the video, you can recap the story of the seeds, in which one of the seeds is very happy and enthusiastic to move out of the soil and see the world. But the other seed can be seen very uncomfortable and it is not happy to try anything new. So after the recapping, you can ask questions from the students. Questions such as, what is something that they did not like to do or try, and why? Were they scared? Did they fail? Or did they ask for help? Did they try that again? Or did they just give up? So this brings up idea of growth mindset. It promotes learning and encourages positive discussion. Children get a chance to express their fears and successes. It helps them recognize their challenges. This resource links to curriculum as we can see it on the screen. Next resource is an activity. So this can be done individually, paired, or in a group. It's called growth mindset versus fixed mindset. So within this activity, children can either cut out and paste it, the relevant sentence in a box, either in the fixed mindset or in the growth mindset, or they can even write it. This promotes learning because it is critical thinking, it develops positive attitude towards challenges, it portrays ideas to learn from failures. So before we start the activity, teachers can give examples, such as saying, I can't do this, and then ask students, which box does it fit? Does it go in fixed mindset or growth mindset? And then explain why. This also links to curriculum, and as we can see it on the screen. This is the link for the YouTube video if you need to use the resource 1, and that's the activity sheet. It's printable for all the teachers. Any questions? Thank you for joining for this session.